Big breaking story coming in. Rajya Sabha members have now been found misusing the perks and privileges that they enjoy. Rajya Sabha Secretariat has issued a stern note of warning that for future violations, deductions are going to be made from their salaries. Railways has now informed Rajya Sabha officials that its members are booking not one but multiple tickets on different trains on the same day of travel for themselves and for their companions from one station or different stations. Worse, after making multiple bookings, they have been using only one of the seats that have been reserved but have not cancelled the rest of the bookings as well. Rahul Srivastava now joins us live. Rahul, this is a classic case of VVIP treatment that the Rajya Sabha members do end up enjoying. The alarming part is that they are misusing this particular privilege that they have.
Kirti, this is absolutely shocking. At a time when we have seen since all through 2019, the Indian economy hasn't really done well, and how members of parliament respond, it's a terrible showcase as far as the members of parliament are concerned. Last year, 2019, Parliament paid, Rajya Sabha Secretariat paid rupees for the travel of its members of parliament. Now, just to railways, forget aviation and other sectors. What railways has informed the Rajya Sabha Secretariat that several MPs have been booking multiple trains on the same day of travel from different stations or from one single station. They use one, don't cancel other. Railway charges the Rajya Sabha Secretariat, that money goes as a waste. On the other hand, not only is this wastage of money but rampant corruption, because when a member of parliament books, say, 4 seats, he's booking for himself, maybe his spouse, who is also entitled for first AC. There is a companion who is allowed on a second AC free ticket. Now, there are these 3 seats which are available, which will be sold by a corrupt railway official or might be misused by somebody. So, in fact, Parliament ends up paying for some unauthorized travel. And that's a shocking instance. And that's why the Secretary General of Rajya Sabha, in consultation with the chairman, has written a very stern note that this has come to our notice. We are not declaring the names right now. But what they are saying, next time onwards, anybody found guilty will be paying from their own salary.
Absolutely. Rahul Srivastava, our National Affairs Editor, with all the latest details as far as the story is concerned. Remember, this is a developing story. We'll continue getting more reactions on this, the names of the violators, and of course, many more political reactions that will follow as the story develops.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.